The next big thing from Samsung isn't just about speed. It's about giving the Galaxy lineup more balance, power, and customization options. And for the first time ever, Samsung might be able to dominate like Apple, but with a twist that is only Samsung. It is said that Samsung is going back to its roots by bringing back something that fans have been missing for almost 10 years: different tech for different regions. You can now get dual Snapdragon chips and different storage and RAM. In all of the Galaxy S26 phones, Samsung will use not one, but two Snapdragon 8 series chips. One of them is the powerful new Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, which is Qualcomm's biggest and best chip yet. This is the same as a normal chip refresh. With its next-generation NPU and performance boosts, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 is expected to crush scores and go after Apple's lead in AI and performance per watt. Samsung can better target price points with the second Snapdragon chip, and speed won't be affected. And now for the really cool part. 1. UI 8.5 is being tried right now in the background. Early adopters say it's faster, lighter, and smoother than One UI 8.0. It also has improvements meant to make the Galaxy S26 series feel even more high-end. Even though Samsung hasn't said for sure yet, there are clear signs. Something big is about to happen. That's the Galaxy S26 Edge. According to new leaks, it might have a 4,400 mAh battery, which is 200 mAh more than what was said before. Even the brand new Galaxy S26 Pro is likely to have a 4,300 mAh battery. These changes show that Samsung is trying to make all of their phones better balanced in terms of size, weight, and battery life, though neither will be as powerful as the S26 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery. Yes, Ice Universe has said that there will be more confirmed updates soon, which means that the fun is just beginning. Samsung is bringing back tactics that were put on hold, releasing more Snapdragon chips, smartly improving battery life, and making changes to One UI all at the same time. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.